Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to push your code to GitHub step by step, starting completely from scratch. So, the first step you to do is create a folder and file. So, I am going to my E drive and I am going to create one new file folder. I am name it as demotest, and inside the folder I am creating a new file called index.html. So I'm going to create a new file, and inside the file I'm going to write on HTML code. So I'm going to open it in Notepad, and I'm copy pasting one HTML code inside the Notepad. So this is a simple code. I am going to copy paste it, and the next step is I need to save that file. So going to file and click on save as, and I'm going to give the name as index.html here. So that's over. I created a folder and created the file inside the folder, and I am naming it as index.html. The next step is we need to open Git Bash. So why you are opening Git Bash is we need to move our code to Git. Before proceeding, make sure Git is installed on your system. That's important. It gives you access to Git Bash. So I am opening the Git Bash here. The next step is I am going to navigate to my folder. So I am going to give the command cd space e double colon. It will change my drive to E drive. The next step is CD and my folder name. This takes you into the demo test folder you created already. So the next is I am going to create one new branch. Now I am going to create a new branch and I am going to name it as login. So to create the new branch, use the command git checkout -b and your branch name. This creates and switches to a new branch called login. So the next step is add and commit. Next, we will add the HTML file to Git staging area by running the command git add and your created file name. Here I am name it as index.html. So git add index.html. Then we need to commit the file with the message using git commit -m, and you need to add one symbol message which needs to be understandable by others also. So git commit -m, and I am going to commit messages my first commit. So that's it. The next step is create a GitHub repository. So go into GitHub and create one new repository. You can name it as anything you want. I am calling it as a demo test. So once the repository is created, copy the repository URL. So I am going to copy the repository URL. So go back to Git Bash and connect your local folder to GitHub repository. For that, using git remote add origin and your URL which is already created. So that's it. The next step is finally you need to push your code login branch with this command. So git push -u origin, you are in the branch name called login. So enter git push -u origin login. So that's it. You have successfully created a folder and a file, made a new branch and pushed your code to GitHub. So going back to GitHub and refresh it, you can see the folder which you are created in your local is displayed in the remote repository now. So that's it.